Step 1, gather the plastic pieces that you have left, whatever material it is made of, I'm not sure. And then you want to wipe the headlight, make sure there's no dirt, grease or any sticky parts because we're going to be putting tape over that. You will need an assistant because I couldn't do this myself. Someone to hold it together and then another person to measure out and cut the tape so that it fit. And you start from the bottom and then you go up. I started with red tape and I used my nail to kind of bend into the crease and then just pulled it apart. You can use something sharp, but I'm pretty sure I didn't use anything because it was easy material to work with. Then I went on and used clear tape for the clear part of the headlight, and then I added some red tape at the top as well. This was actually really easy and simple to do. I don't have much experience navigating cars. One thing that I would recommend that you do, in my opinion, is that when you're applying the tape onto the headlight, make sure the tape above it overlaps the one on the bottom so that any rain that hits off of it can just bounce down and it won't seep into the headlight and potentially cause havoc. This was the golden tree that I bumped into, causing me to smash my headlight. It's my own fault, I didn't see it. But you can see it slanted, it does come out. So warning to anybody who's a new driver, who's not familiar with these things. It lasted me around 4 or 5 months, but that was over summer. I mean, I live in Scotland, we get a lot of rain. I didn't have any issues with it. So this is a temporary solution to a smashed headlight, and you can buy the tape online somewhere. Like, I think I ended up going to Halfords because I needed it urgently and I couldn't wait for it to be delivered, so that's what I ended up doing. I will link everything below so that you can check it out yourselves.